Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock emails in Yahoo. So first of all, you want to log into your Yahoo account, and as you can see I'm already logged in. And while you're on your main page, your main mail page, you want to go to the settings, which is on the right side of your screen. Then you want to go to the more settings, which is these three dots on the bottom, and then you want to go to the security and privacy. Once you click that, you are going to see the blocked addresses, and as you can see now I do have only one address that is blocked, so I can just, as you can see, click on this blocked sender. And now all emails from the specific email that was blocked before are going to be in my mailbox or in the spam if the Yahoo recognizes this email as spam. So this is how you can unblock emails in Yahoo. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!